My idea was to bring so much information to our families and to our community, knowing the need of my community and of our parents. I thought this was an amazing idea to bring all these people together and share their wonderful information they have with us. La idea de traer todos estos socios a nuestra comunidad es para que ustedes, las familias, supieran de todos los recursos que se encuentran en nuestra comunidad y estos recursos que se beneficien ustedes y sus estudiantes.
I came here just to see the tables and stuff like that and see what we were able to provide as well, and just try to see what I can do for my community even more. I think it's my parents, because they made me more involved, and I feel like I have a really open spirit, and I just want to be somebody who can provide as well as just give back to my community for what they've given to me already.
Students should get involved in student council because we make sure that we oversee all of the students' voices here at Marina High School to make the whole school a better environment for everyone.
We want to make sure that all students from all grades are heard across the whole campus, and we want to make that big change just overall.
And we want to ensure that diversity is involved within Marina High School on student choices and making sure every student voice is heard.
No narrative!